Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to split any purchase into 4 payments using 4 on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what is 4? So 4 lets you split a purchase into 4 equal payments. So first payment, if you purchase today, is due today. Next 3 payments is every 2 weeks. And now this is available for online and in store. Now what we first need to do is go ahead and get the application. So if you using Apple, go ahead and use your download from the App Store. If you're on an Android, Samsung, go ahead and get the app on Google Play. Now basically, once you do that, you want to go ahead and open the app and then sign up with either your mobile number, email, or debit card. Some users may also use a credit card, and then just complete the quick identity checks if prompted. Then from there, we want to go ahead and create a virtual 4 card. So inside the app, tap card or pay, and then a virtual Visa card is generated. This is what you need to use to split your payments with. Then from there, basically, you've got a couple of different options. So you can use your Google Wallet, so add your virtual card to Google Wallet and then tap your phone at checkout like a normal card, or option B is a manual card entry. So some stores allow manual card entries at point of service, and then use your forward card details. And then as I said earlier, so your first payment is taken instantly out your account, then the next 3 payments is every 14 days. There is no interest, and late fees may apply if you miss a payment, so they basically make their money with their late fees. That's why they don't charge any interest.